So I'm in a park, community park or township park in Ellsworth City, and here's a close view of Poplar Tree, Poplar. So few characteristics of poplar: stems are kind of narrow, and I believe these are two trees joined together. And as you could see, they grow very tall, very tall, and they just like peeling off their bark, the skin. And it's unique in a way. You'll see white, you'll see orange, you'll see other colors, brown. So that's very funny part. And they grow really fast, and it's native to this part of Maine. I'm currently near Acadia National Park, and you don't need to put any effort. It just grows by itself. It's just, again, three trees growing together.